evening, all the students. This is our fourth week of Inspiration Interview Series. I request CA Bhupal sir, he is the Vikasa Chairman of Sangli branch, to take over the session and have interactive session with Ibrahim sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Rishikesh. Good evening, everybody. And let me take now first introduce our today's faculty. He is CA Ibrahim Sheikh. He is a finance and non-finance trainer, and he is from Sangli, and now he settled in Pune. And Ibrahim sir, let me take the privilege of calling you by your individual name, if you don't mind, because you are like my student and you were from Sangli, so I would like to call you individually by your name.
Pleasure is mine if you call me by my
And
name.
he Thank you, Ibrahim. Thank you, Ibrahim. And I would like to know, tell all the students that he is such a young guy. You can see him, and he is having a vast experience of 9 years, and he passed his exams at the age of 21. Can you believe it? Means immediately after, in 3 years from after his 12th, I think Ibrahim will give us all the insights that student how can they pass at a young age. And he I'm really happy to see that he had cleared his all the exams at the became a CA at the age of 21. And for the knowledge of the students, he was taking tuitions for CA students. Presently, he is not taking, but initially he was taking conducting tuitions for students. He has also conducted many sessions on career counseling, how to prepare for CA exams, motivations, and he can also guide us in subconscious mind. See, this is a wonderful thing. He is an all-rounder. He can explain you regarding motivation, subconscious mind, everything. He has impacted a tremendous amount of more than 3,000 students in such a short span. And I think personally, everyone should have a contact with Ibrahim, because after 10, 15 years, we won't get his appointment also. He is going to go very high, I know. And his unique style, what happens, his unique style of explaining the real with real life examples, that is the best part of it. He is not just a book thing, or he will give you some real life examples. I think you should listen him to the end, till the end. I request everybody. Then one more thing, that he is a believer of words create your world. What goes around you comes around. Whatever you throw in the sky, it will come back to you. So he's a believer of that thing. And his key to success is listen to your intuition, and you will never fail in your life. With this brief introduction, I would like to present to all of you today's guest and speaker, CA Ibrahim Sheikh. I will call him Ibrahim in the next sessions, because he is my very dear student and good friend of mine. Acha, so let us start, Ibrahim. Now, first, I think all the students are very much eager. I personally also am very eager to understand, to know what was your journey of becoming a CA. Can you just throw for some light on that thing first?
Yeah. First of all, let me thank and Satara branch and Sangli branch, especially Rishikesh and Bhate sir and Sulan sir, for giving me opportunity to talk to my so young students. And I like talking with the students, because what I feel when I'm talking with the students, it's like I'm talking with the future of a country. And what I believe, if I can impact at least one person's life, then that can contribution to the nation. And that's why it's my I always love to talk with the students and talk with them. So सुलान सर अगेन बहुत मस्का लगा के मसाला लगा के आपने इसको प्रेजेंट किया है. So thank you so much for presenting me in front of our audience in a so much lovely way. So about my journey, if you are asking, my journey was, I always say, when there was a movie called Slumdog Millionaire, and there are some CAs, I call them as a Slumdog CAs, because they were also born in a slum. They came from that level to this level, and they achieved a success in life. So I was also one of them. My dad was a carpenter. My mom used to sell a dry fish on the road. So that was our starting. We used to stay in a small room, 10 by 10 room, and that room was a kitchen, that room was a hall, that room was a bedroom. For toilet, we used to go to the public toilet. and that used to be the case when I was at my child age. So later on, when the schooling started, and वो रहता ना, दिमाग में हमेशा किड़ा रहता है, कुछ ना कुछ करना है, कुछ ना कुछ करना है. So when I was in 7th standard, earlier before that, from 6th standard, I used to search on the newspaper कि कहाँ पे कुछ काम है क्या. So I used to see that wanted वाला thing, and whenever there is a job vacancy, I used to go and meet them and say कि सर मुझे काम दो. So वहाँ पे तो कुछ नहीं जमा. Then there was one my neighbor, and he used to go in a bakery for the work. And when I was in 7th standard, I started doing job there. So I used to get 500 rupees per month as a salary in the 2002, and lot of work serving to the customer, talk to the customer, माल लेके आना है, फर्शी साफ करना है, दुकान साफ करना है, lot many thing I used to do. But वहाँ पे एक attitude generate हुआ था कि करना है तो business करना है, क्योंकि what I used to get 500 rupees per month, but every day the cash galla of that bakery was 10,000 rupees. So whenever the boss used to come and keep counting the notes in the evening, in the night, I used to say कि यार यार मैं boss रहता तो पूरा पैसा मेरा होता, and that made me that I should start the business. And then जी sir,
Your voice was somewhat breaking, I think. Now you can continue.
yeah. So that was the starting. Then Marathi medium guy, 10 passed. Then we decided to take admission in ITI for diesel mechanic. I went there and filed the form for the ITI, and there was a merit list also, and I got selected over there. But again, we thought ITI diesel mechanic after 10th, but there is one course called computer repairing after 12th. So I should do 12th first, and then we should go for the ITI. So accidentally, I went into 11 commerce. Why commerce? I wanted to go into science, but my parent thought that PCMB classes we have to join, and we will require to pay fees, and we don't have that much fund. So we decided to go into commerce. Then again, the journey started. I used to study a lot daily. I used to study. I was a bookish person. I used to sit to first row, but apart from that, I used to enjoy in the college also. A lot of activities I used to do. In the 12th, I got first rank in the college with 84% in 2007. And that time after 12th, I joined an MSCIT course at one local institute in the Sangli. And the owner of that institute was Mr. Swapnil Shah. He said me that, Ibrahim, you should do CA. I said, what is that CA? He said, chartered accountant. What is that chartered accountant? He said, you can do that, you should do that. Then I inquired with my friends and they said, "अरे बहुत tough होता है, मत कर, तुझसे नहीं होगा." Then मैंने चलो ठीक है, नहीं करेंगे. And I applied for the BCA because तब तक वो computer mechanic, computer repairing का दिमाग में से गया था. And in 2007 there was a wave of a BCA, and I applied to the BCA in a local college in the Sangli. But that sir on that day asked me कि इब्राहिम तुमने फॉर्म भरा क्या? Sorry. I said नहीं sir. He said why? I said बहुत tough होता है. उसने किसने कहा? मतलब लोगों ने कहा. तू कर, नहीं होता तो मैं रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेता हूँ. And then I went and applied to the CPT. Then the real struggle started over there. The CPT registration fee for in the 2007 was 1,500 rupees for to pay ICI. And the local classes I searched, it was a 6,000 rupees fee for the CPT. So arranging 7,500 rupees was a big deal. So my mom took a loan from her Pygmy account of 10,000 rupees, and she repaid that loan for a whole year. And I sat for the CPT. At my time, there was a 4 time in a year CPT exam. So in December 2007, we decided to sit for the CPT exam. In the Sangli Center, there was 108 students, and out of that, 8 students passed, and I was one of them with the 108 marks. So that was the first attempt passed in a CA exam. I went to that sir, I met him, he hugged me, and that gave me the confidence. Then again started the journey of IPCC and articleship. IPCC again started with that only. I joined articleship, I joined classes. The classes fee was 18,000 for 4 subjects, and I was unable to pay the fees. I went to my sir and my articleship boss, and he said, sir, कुछ तो मदद करो classes के लिए. Then he paid me 9,000 rupees, saying that ये ले ले मेरी तरफ से मदद तेरी classes के लिए. So friends, I just wanted to tell you, when जैसे आपने वो ओम शांति ओम में डायलॉग सुनता ना, जब कोई सृष्टि अगर आप किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहते तो पूरी कायनात आपको मिलाने की कोशिश करती है, साजिश में लग जाती है. The same dialogue was written in the Paulo Coelho's Alchemist book, and same happens with you. When you decide to do something, there is a universe which is conspiring to make it happen, and that is what I believe in my life, because I took the decision, I started taking the steps, and automatically the path started becoming clear, and I became what I am today. So it was, I remember the day, it was a IPCC result 1 week before of IPCC result. and I was sitting in the college for the study because I was not having a room for the study. So in the evening 7 to 10 I used to go to my college, and they have given some room, and sometimes room is not available, then we have to sit in the corridor for the studies in the common land. So I was studying there, and just thought came in my mind, what if I pass in the IPCC in first attempt? I need to go to the classes to the Pune for the final classes. And I was not having the money because the expected expenses was approximately 70,000. So I just prayed to God that I don't want to pass because I need to pay that much money and I don't have that money. So my one mind was telling कि पास होना चाहिए यार, फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट सीपीटी, फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट पीसीसी का अपने को एक कुछ कॉलर टाइट तो हो जाएगा मेरा. बट माय अदर माइंड वाज सेइंग कि नहीं यार, क्योंकि अगर ये करता हूं तो पैसा कहां से लाएगा, so better fail हो जाए, next attempt तक पैसा जमा करते. So that used to be my mentality on that time, but God wanted something different. And believe my friends, somebody was wrote that I'm a lucky guy, and definitely I was lucky. I gave IPCC both group in the first attempt, and in first attempt I got 300 mark out of 600. So dot जैसे बोलते हैं ना कट और पास, I got that. And first group I got 21 mark excess. Second group I got 21 mark less. I said, God is there, universe is there, you just take the steps. Then no, now what to do? Final के class के लिए पुणे तो जाना है, what to do? Then again I went to my sir, कुछ मदद करो. Sir said, I will give you 50,000. After becoming CA, you start doing job with me and repay my money. I said, fine sir, क्योंकि देखो ना, beggars are not chooser ना, जो मिलता है उसको ले लो. But that was a very handsome deal for me, and I accepted that deal. My nani gave me 10,000, and with 60,000 I went to Pune for the classes in 2008 or 2009. And the final classes, whole classes completed properly. I came back to Sangli, and I came back to Sangli. I gave first attempt. In first attempt, I got fail, and I feel very fortunate that I got fail, because in IPCC in account I got 72 mark, and it was a proudful moment. यार CA के एग्जाम में 72 मार्क लाना मतलब I'm a genius. I'm Einstein of accountancy. I used to be in that overconfidence. And what happened in final, in first attempt in accountancy, I got 38 mark. और वहाँ पे मुझे पता चला ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस करेगा तो ऊपर वाला बैठा जो तुमको ऐसे नीचे गिराएगा. And I came on the ground, and that was a required thing, because you should taste a failure at least once in your life. अगर आपको फेल्योर टेस्ट भी नहीं पता ना, लाइफ में बड़ा होने बाद अगर कोई आपको फेल्योर आता है ना, तो आई डोंट थिंक कि आप इतने अच्छे से उसमें से बाहर आ पाओगे. सो दैट वाज अ फर्स्ट शॉक फॉर मी, बट दैट शॉक वाज विद अ ब्यूटीफुल पेन and beautiful gain also, because in first attempt my SFM and my indirect taxes I got exemption. So 2 subject, bada subject gaya. Next attempt only 6 subject I got clear, and when I got clear in January 2011, my running age was 21, and in 25th February I completed 21 and entered into 22. So it was just a slight one attempt so that I can lifetime telling that I became CA at the age of 21. So I remember that day of a CA result, and that is a very what you can say day, very emotional moment of everybody's life. I was working with a CA firm in a Sangli. It was a VAT audit time, and it was an afternoon. I was sitting in the boss cabin and doing some work, and the result just appeared. I just opened the window, I put my roll number, and I enter, and the result was pass. So I was a CA, but I was shivering. I was कि पहले कंफर्म करते और एक बार कि मैं ही हूँ या दूसरा कोई है, या फिर ऐसा ना हो कि मैं सबको बता दूं और मेरा पोपट हो जाए बाद में. So I just on the screen, you can imagine, I was just reading my name, IBRAHIM, इब्राहिम शेख. पास तो दिख रहा है, एक बार टोटल मार्किंग पे देखते हैं, शायद गलती से टोटलिंग मिस्टेक भी हो सकता है. Then I did that mistake calculation, and it was a perfect match, and I was a C at that time, and I was like shivering. I was not able to press a single key. I called sir, sir, can I go to home, because I became CA, and I'm unable to type a single word. Sir said कि अरे यार मैं समझ सकता हूँ, you can go. And I called my mom, I called my dad, and I said that, Mom and Dad, now you are a father and mother of a chartered accountant, and this is the biggest achievement of our life. And I just ran into my home on my cycle. I was using cycle till that time. My mom and dad was waiting for me at my home, and we just hugged each other for the 5 minutes, and we were crying like anything. And I can't remember that day, and that was the achievement in my life. And I believe, my friend, अपने माँ बाप को ना खुशी के आंसू रुलाओ, बहुत मजा आता है. And for that moment, you should do CA. You should not give up the CA. So whole journey was not easy. I started first my job with a bakery. Then I used to sit with my mom for the selling the dry fish on the road. Then I started work. I did work in the medical. I work in the garage. I work with the advocate. I work in agarbatti wholesale store. Then I sold some fruits and vegetables on the road. So that was a journey. But what I believe that whatever coming in your life, that is come for the reason, and that make you a different person in your future. So that was my journey, Sulyan sir. I hope student might get inspiration from that. Over to you, sir.
That was absolutely amazing. Your parents are really very lucky, Brian. I think they are really, once again, I say they are very lucky parents. And the struggle which you have faced, that's really inspiring.
Thank you so much,
Right.
sir.
And Ibrahim, can I just had a doubt? Why did you select? You had come from such a tough situation. Then why? Generally, what students do, they directly go for some jobs. Why did you select
Yeah.
practice? Because already you were struggling so much. What was the reason that you selected practice and not a job? Please, Ibrahim.
Yes, sir, indeed. That's a very interesting question because I got many people ask this question to me a lot of time. And I told you when I was in bakery, I used to say that 10,000 rupees ka galla every day. And at the month end, when I call Mama, I used to call the owner Mama, कि मेरा month हो गया है, आप मुझे please salary दोगे क्या? Then out of that 10,000 rupees na, he used to remove that 5 note 100 rupees ka, and used to give in my hand.
अच्छा.
And when taking that money na, I used to feel अरे यार अगर मैं boss रहता ना पूरा 10,000 मेरा होता. The unfortunately I'm doing job, that's why the whole money is not mine. And that gave me the point कि 10th होने के बाद मैं बेकरी चालू करूंगा क्योंकि 8 रुपए का ब्रेड 10 रुपए में बेचता है. So that was my dream when I was in 7th and 8th standard. But unfortunately I could not open the bakery, but I came into this field. Becoming CA, I realized that opportunity cost I learned in the economics, that if you go in the practice, you will earn good money right now, but you will not earn the handsome money at after 25 years. But you go in the job, first few years is struggle, and later on. So I decided to jump in the practice. And what I did nothing. I got 10,000 rupee job with a local CE in the Sangli. I started doing job with them, and slowly journey started and got settled. And in the opening time, I used to meet a lot of people, and one of that person is the Bablu Sulyan sir. So I'm not saying
Super.
कि because he's there, coincidence, and he was there. I had been to the mirrors, and somebody said कि Sulyan sir is there, and coincidentally his cousin brother, now I think he was in
Navjit.
CPT with me, Navjit
हाँ,
Sulyan, right? So
Navjit sir.
I went to meet Sulyan sir and said कि sir initially practice है, थोड़ा guide करो, अब क्या करना चाहिए इसमें. So he said, Ibrahim, I will tell you the formula of practice. He said, in first 5 years of practice, you will get nothing. It means if you are working for 100 rupees, you will get 10 rupees. In next 5 years of your practice, from 5 years to 10 years, you will get what that money which you are working. अगर 100 का काम करो तो 100 रुपए मिलेगा. But after 10 years, you will get a more money. अगर मैं 100 रुपए का काम करो तो 1,000 रुपए मिल जाएगा. And that is the thing I'm waiting to complete my 10th year of my practice. And it's now 9 years of work, Sulyan sir, and I'm on the verge of entering into 10th year of practice. And in job, what happened? That is what my personal feeling. I'm not criticizing job. We don't have freedom. That is what I feel. And the value is given for the money, and money is getting for that chair. And once you are out of that chair, your money and income is zero. But in practice, what I feel, you can do anything. You can do anything. Nobody is stopping you. You can wake up at late morning. You can wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. That is your decision. Nobody is coming and asking कि boss उठ तुझे 8 बजे ऑफिस पे जा तो 7 बजे उठना पड़ेगा. Nobody is coming and asking you. That's why I decided to go into the practice. Sir. This is my. I wanted to enjoy my life in my according to my own term, and that was the reason I came into the practice.
Yes, that was great, and I really forgot that I have told you these things, but these words were given to me by my sir, Zaure sir, and
Oh,
he had told me not 5 years, he had given me a period of 10 years. बोले थे
अच्छा.
10 years तक 10 years तक तुम्हें कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, उसके 10 years बाद में तुम जितना काम करोगे उतना मिलेगा, एंड आफ्टर दैट आप करो ना करो आपका इनफ्लो चालू रहेगा. So and
आता
that's what
रहे.
it's a really amazing thing. You have selected practice and you have completed 9 years. Acha, Ibrahim, as you entered the practice, what were the initial challenges you faced? Can you throw some light on that? What type of challenges you face? And I would like to tell students also that there are a lot of questions coming. We will take the answers at the last. I don't want to interrupt in the between the sequence what we are going. So Ibrahim, let's give the students some light on means what type of challenges they are going to face in the initial years of it.
Yeah. So
Please.
thank you so much for sir for asking me this question, because this is the tough and crucial phase of practice. And if you're not giving up at this time, you can succeed in your practice. So what happened initially? Being coming from the middle background, and if there is a family responsibility, then you have to find some fixed income source. So I met with the CA, and I told them कि sir मेरा खुद का भी practice करूँगा, and I will do job with you also. So it was like that only. So initially it was not a payroll वाला job, so that ICI कुछ उनका guidelines वहाँ पे break हो गया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. So I was doing job and started practice. But one thing I would tell you all my friends who are going to become a CA or still who are in struggling phase, that initially you have to be very proactive. What I used to do, अगर आज तो अपने को जजडल है, उस टाइम पे जजडल नहीं था. I used to take my bike, रोड पे जहाँ पे भी टैक्स कंसल्टेंट का बोर्ड दिखता है, आई यूज्ड टू गो एंड विजिट हिज ऑफिस एंड गिविंग माय कार्ड, सर आई एम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, मेरा नया प्रैक्टिस से कुछ काम होगा तो दो. I used to go and meet lot of people, because unless and until you meet people, nothing will come, because our practice is not like a doctor. What happens in case of doctor, OPD खोला है, कोई भी आएगा, इनफैक्ट झोपड़पट्टी का आदमी भी आएगा और मर्सिडीज वाला भी आएगा. बट आवर प्रैक्टिस एक सोसाइटी का एक लेवल का ऊपर का आदमी आता है, तो अपने को लोगों को पैक करना है. सेकंड थिंग व्हाट आई डिड, what happened, like now I will take example of Sulan sir. As a Sulan sir is a CA, and suppose when there is a small baby born in his family, example, so क्या होता है ना, सांगली के पूरे सीए को पता है कि बबलू सुलान के घर पे लड़का होगा, लड़की हो गई, तो फ्रॉम फर्स्ट क्राई ऑफ दैट बेबी, दैट ऑल 200-500,000 सीए जितने भी सबको पता चलता है कि उनके घर में बच्चा हो गया. सो दैट बेबी कम्स विद आइडेंटिटी. सो मुझे लगता था कि मुझे कोई नहीं पहचानता, एंड दैट वाज अ फैक्ट. So I decided to go to the Sangli branch managing committee, and I went to the Sangli branch managing committee. So what happened? एक stroke में सांगली के पूरे CA मुझे नाम से पहचानने लग गया. So today also I'm getting the benefit whenever I'm calling some senior CA or some junior CA कि इब्राहिम बात कर रहा हूँ, अरे हाँ इब्राहिम बोलना, मतलब his response is so quick and so what we can say with so hospitality, they talk to me कि अच्छा इब्राहिम का फोन है, I know इब्राहिम. So that is what there. First, you should create your brand in your local market where you are doing the practice. If your brand is not there, nothing can happen to you. So this is the first challenge we face in the practice कि आपका brand नहीं है. और अगर आपको brand बनाना है, then you have to increase your network. And if you increase your network, your automatically things will start it. Again, I joined the local tax consultant association in the Sangli. I started taking some sessions over there. अब sessions लेना है वो भी senior बंदों से. इनका कुछ लोगों का तो experience भी अपने age के जैसा होता है. तो दैट इज अ प्रेशराइजिंग जॉब. तो व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू, उनको वहां पे जाके मैं बोलता था, सर मैं पहली बार ले रहा हूँ, कुछ गलती होता है तो एक्सेप्ट करो. स्टेज पे जाके आई यूज्ड टू से कि मैं पहली बार ले रहा हूँ, गलती होती है तो एक्सेप्ट करो. तो क्या होता है ना, व्हेन यू आर देयर अ सीनियर ऑडियंस नो यूज्ड टू से अरे ठीक है इसको थोड़ा सपोर्ट करना है. और वहां पे क्या होता है कि अगर 60-70 लोग सामने बैठे एंड यू आर गिविंग सम सेशन, तो 60-70 लोगों ने का दिमाग में आपका नाम रजिस्टर हो गया, एंड बाय दिस वे योर नेम स्टार्ट गोइंग इनटू द पीपल. आप एक चर्चा का विषय बनते हो, एंड स्लोली यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग द वर्क. यस, इनिशियल प्रैक्टिस देयर आर बिट स्ट्रगल, बट इफ यू आर सर्वाइविंग देयर, then you can reach at anywhere. And here I want to quote two things. Our life is ना like you are climbing the step. इसमें जो दही अंडी जो रहता है ना, जहाँ पे हम दही अंडी फोड़ते हैं, तो वहाँ पे जो लगता है ना दही अंडी का जो थर लगता है, जहाँ पे काने या चढ़ता है ना ऊपर, तो you are that person. आपके नीचे बहुत सारे लोग खड़े हैं, नीचे के लोग दिखते नहीं. सो सेम दैट केस, जैसे सुलान सर हैज गिवन मी सम एडवाइस, सो ही वाज वन स्टेप इन दैट. अगर मेरे सर ने कुछ हेल्प किया तो ही इज वन स्टेप. अगर ऐसे बहुत सारे स्टेप्स आते हैं एंड यू स्टार्ट क्लाइंबिंग द लैडर ऑफ द सक्सेस, एंड दैट इज द केस. आपको नहीं पता कौन आदमी आता है. एंड सेकंड थिंग आई लर्न इन माय होल एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ द प्रैक्टिस, एंड आई रेड इट समवेयर. There is a law working in everybody's life universally. This is called law of 6 degree of separation. So what is that law of 6 degree of separation? According to this law, every big thing and big achievement is awaiting from 6 contacts from you or 6 steps from you. So suppose अगर मुझे कोई बड़ा काम आना है और कोई बंदा मुझे आज मिला है, तो that person will connect me to another, and 5 or 6 contact will give me the big success. And that is what happened in the practice. So whenever you meet a 10 person, at least 2 person will start giving you the work. So increase the number of person you are meeting, and automatically you will start getting the work slowly and steadily. And one more thing, which again Sulyan sir also told me on that time, and many of the senior CS told me, अपने काम पे ध्यान दो, पैसा ऑटोमेटिक आ जाएगा. अगर आप इनिशियली पैसा 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 करोगे तो मनी विल नॉट कम इन योर लाइफ. So that was the initial challenges I faced, and that was the initial strategies I used at the time of my initial practice. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, I would like to add here, Ibrahim, that was a fantastic thing what you have given the points and tips to the students. Actually, students should note it down. I would also like to add that whenever you meet people at the first time, you see that you should give them something. You don't expect कि मैं उसके पास जा रहा हूँ, मेरे को उससे कुछ लेना है, he should become convert into my client. Give them free में advice दो. See, try to help him out. Once you try to help him out, and you should become the person in his mobile, he should save your number, and anything that is related to finance, taxation, the first person that strikes to his mind should be you. The day you achieve that thing in the mobile of the other person, then you have achieved something. So unless that, you cannot expect कि बाबा मैं 2 बार मिला और उसको पहले ही जाके बोला यार मेरे तो प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था, मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ, give me your audit, give me I will give you some tax planning. Just go chat with him, try to give him something. The more you give, the more you will get. That is my experience, what I have gained. Acha, Ibrahim, there were some words in your profile that your words create your world. I was just somewhat confused. Can you explain me what do you mean exactly by words creates your world?
Yes, sir. I will start with you only. Suppose, sir, I came to Sangli and we decided to go for a lunch. Okay. So, you, for example, we are deciding to go in some XYZ hotel. And sir, what would you like to give order for the lunch? Any dish?
I would ask
Any
anybody,
no,
anything
any
like
random dish. What dish? What dish you would like to
paneer,
order, sir?
paneer or something like that. Yeah,
Okay, so for example, you are given paneer tikka masala. The manager is coming for the taking order, and you are saying कि paneer tikka masala लाओ. क्या लाके देगा वो? पनीर
paneer,
टिक्का मसाला लाके देगा या पनीर भुर्जी लाके देगा सर?
like
पनीर
paneer
टिक्का
tikka.
मसाला, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Second question, sir, I would like to ask you. Now mango seasons are over and mangoes are getting so costly. So what you and me decided कि एक mango का seed लगाते हैं. What do you think उसमें से क्या निकलेगा? Mango का tree निकलेगा, apple का tree निकलेगा?
mango,
Definitely mango का.
mango.
Yes, this happens with us, sir. So whatever we speak, there is one universe का waiter standing behind us and is taking order. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. And that waiter will deliver your order. आज नहीं तो कल, कल नहीं तो परसों, but deliver तो करेगा. अपना waiter थोड़ा time लगाता है, उसी प्रकार universe का waiter भी time लगाएगा. So what does I mean to say that? When I'm telling, अरे यार क्या करूँ, audit बहुत tough है, मुझे जम ही नहीं रहा है, आ ही नहीं रहा है. When you're saying that, then audit will be tough. क्योंकि ऑर्डर तो दिया, उसने बोला यस सर, ऑर्डर का डिलीवरी हो जाएगा. मैं अगर बोल रहा हूँ अरे यार अकाउंटिंग अमलगमेशन मतलब ना मेरा 36 का आंकड़ा है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा, तो दैट विल बी 36 का आंकड़ा फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म, बिकॉज व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, यूनिवर्सल वेटर स्टैंडिंग बिहाइंड, यस सर, ही विल गिव यू द ऑर्डर. एंड यू चेक इन योर लाइफ, व्हेनेवर you are facing any bad phase in your life, we say कि यार मैं क्यों, बट थोड़ा पीछे जाके देखो कि आपने शायद ऐसा कुछ सोचा था कि ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा, या फिर आपको कुछ ऐसा लगा था. So that happens with us. That's why what I say, whatever you say, universe में spread होता है, and that will come back to you. आज नहीं तो कल, कल नहीं तो परसों. And there is one word most of you people as example might have experienced that. There is one word called telepathy. तो टेलीपैथी में क्या होता है कि मैंने किसी के बारे में सोचा था, उसका ही मुझे कॉल आता है, तो अरे यार अब भी तेरे बारे में सोचा, तेरा कॉल मुझे आया. सो व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज नथिंग बट अ कनेक्शन between two hearts. So what happened? I thought something, the word spread in the universe, he thought something, the word spread into the universe, and that word got connected, and ऑटोमेटिकली एक दूसरे को फीलिंग आना चालू होगा, एक दूसरे के बारे में आना चालू होगा. सो दैट इज हैपेंस विद अस. सो व्हेनेवर यू आर टॉकिंग, please and please use word very carefully.
Yes.
And just try to go to the intrinsic meaning of the word. I will just give one example of a word and I will stop this question answer. So many times we use the word called passion. हम बोलते हैं ना ये मेरा passion है. So I just started searching the meaning of that word and I opened a dictionary before 1981. Oxford का जो पुराना dictionary जो उनका archive में से मिलता है. And I opened the dictionary and I just searched the meaning of the word passion. And to my surprise, the meaning of word passion was crucifixion and struggle. crucifixion and struggle. So whenever I'm calling, I have passion to do that. It means I have struggle to do that. And there is one movie you might have heard about it, The Passion of Christ, in which they have shown that how the Jesus Christ was the crucified. And that is the meaning of that word passion. So initially I used to say, by profession I'm a teacher, by profession I'm a CA, by passion I'm a teacher. I used to say that. But right now I changed that word. By profession I'm a CA, but by love I'm a teacher. So that's why before using any word, I use very carefully. I don't use word many times. I don't use word a problem. I use words issues. Issue क्या है? Problem क्या है बोलने से पता issue क्या है? So in that way, I just focus on my vocabulary. One more thing, अगर आपको कुछ अचीव करना है तो उसके बारे में सोचना चालू करो. Automatically thing will start working and automatically you will start attracting about it. As the today's topic is not that, but I will not explain that in much detail. But I would like to thank with over here. Use word very carefully because your words will create your world. Thank you, sir.
Great. Such बात है. It's really very true. Whatever you talk, whatever you tell your students, whatever you tell your kids, they become like that. उनको अच्छी बातें दो, गलत वर्ड्स मुंह में से निकालो ही नहीं. That will really do it. And that the words create your world. जो हुकुम मेरे आका, that is the only line which means the jinn listens to you, and आप जो हुकुम करोगे, जो order place करोगे is nisarga mein, what we call, and he will give it to you.
Yeah.
Ibrahim, now students are asking lots of questions, but I will take it later. What is the intuition and its role in our life? Intuition. Tell us something about intuition.
Okay. So intuition comes with a different name. It is also called gut feeling. It is also called we can say sixth sense. Also we can say intuition के केस में. So before doing anything, आपका जो माइंड रहता है ना, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, इट स्टार्ट गिविंग सिग्नल कि ये कर या ना कर. इट इज मोर ऑफ फीलिंग देन वर्ड. एक फीलिंग आता है कि ये करूं या ना करूं. कभी कभार एक इनडायरेक्ट आके जाता है, दैट इज बहुत बहुत बारीक आवाज में होता है, इतना मतलब शोर के साथ नहीं आता. बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज हैविंग टू काइंड ऑफ वॉइसेस इनसाइड, इनर कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंड इनर क्रिटिक्स. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स वी लिसन टू इनर क्रिटिक. अरे यार वो सर ऐसा ही है, ये ऐसा ही है, नेट चलता ही नहीं मेरा, वो होता नहीं. सो दीज आर द कंप्लेंट्स, दैट इज इनर क्रिटिक. वी यूज्ड टू फोकस मोर ऑन इट than the inner what we can say inner voice, that inner voice which tell you what is right and what is wrong. So intuition is nothing but your gut feeling. Whenever you are doing something, just listen to it, try to listen to it. If you don't able to listen, just close the door, just sit in the silent and calm place and just क्या लगता है आपको वो चीज के बारे में थोड़ा सोचना चालू करो. फॉर एग्जांपल, नाउ देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट एंड दैट हैपेंस विद देम मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स. आई विल टेक द लिबर्टी टू एग्जांपल एक्सप्लेन गिव दैट टेक दैट एग्जांपल. सी फॉर एग्जांपल, देयर इज वन स्टूडेंट और उसको एक लड़की पे क्रश है और लगता है कि यार वही लड़की मेरे लाइफ में चाहिए, बट अपने को भाव नहीं देती है. तो देन वी स्टार्ट डूइंग डे ड्रीमिंग, वो ऐसी होगी, मैं मिलूंगा, दिस एंड दैट. बट वो भाव नहीं देती तो थोड़ा थोड़ा टेंशन पे आने लगता है. जस्ट गो सिट इन अ साइलेंट प्लेस एंड जस्ट क्लोज योर आईज and just imagine ki, just ask your questions to your mind कि is she the right girl in my life. 2-3 दिन बाद शायद नहाते वक्त, मुझे तो नहाते वक्त इसके आंसर्स मिलते most of the time, you will get an answer कि whether she is right or if she is wrong. Because sir is laughing, I will tell you an interesting thing. I gave my book to one of my neighbor and I just forgot कि मैंने उनको बुक दिया है. I started searching at home book मैंने कब दिया, किसको दिया. And I again, as my hobby, I ask my subconscious mind कि how I do, I close my eyes, I say कि अरे वो बुक नहीं मिल रहा, किसको दिया, थोड़ा याद दिला मुझे. So that is my servant, that subconscious mind, and he give me the answer. And I told my wife कि अरे यार तेरे subconscious mind को बता कर बुक किसको दे, याद कर. 10 days went. I was searching desperately for that book because that is one of my favorite book for all the reading. And 2 days back, I was sleeping and रात को 12 बजे मुझे वाइफ उठा थी, अजी सोए क्या, उठो ना 1 मिनट. बोले व्हाट? अरे पता है कि आपने बुक ना रिधिमा की मम्मी को दिया था उस दिन. बोले कब दिया था? नहीं क्या, उनका दरवाजा बाजार खोल के दिया. एंड जब मैं याद किया ना, whatever she was telling, that was the scene happened on that day. So this is subconscious mind. आपको पता नहीं कब आंसर मिलेगा, but it will give you the answer, and this is the intuition. One more trick I would like to give to the students right now. So whatever study plan you are doing for the next day, जैसे अभी आज का दिन खत्म हुआ है and you are deciding कि कल मुझे बैठ के स्टडी करना है, and you are deciding कि सुबह में मैं अकाउंटिंग का 2-3 घंटा उसमें ये टॉपिक करूंगा, ये करूंगा, एक ओवरऑल रहता है. Just before sleeping, you just start writing those plan for the next day. आज की रात में लिख के सोना है उसको. इससे क्या होता है ना, योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में वो घुसता है एंड द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड स्टार्ट सर्चिंग द इजीएस्ट वे टू डू दैट स्टडी एंड बिलीव माय फ्रेंड 3 दिन करके देखो, 4th डे आपका स्टडी बहुत मजे में होगा. आई कैन बेट ऑन यू. If it is not happening, आप जो बताओगे मैं करने के लिए रेडी हूँ, because that is my personal experience. Today I do I'm having that formats with me. If you're able to see that, I do that kind of list every day. कि जैसे यहाँ पे रोज मुझे किसको किसको कॉल करना है, मेरा टास्क लिस्ट क्या है, रिलेशनशिप कॉल किसको करना है, एंड आई जस्ट राइट इट एंड स्लिप. बट नेक्स्ट जब उठता हूँ ना, माई प्रोडक्टिविटी इंक्रीज बाय 20%. And that is my experience. So intuition plays that important role. And Albert Einstein once said that intuitive mind is a sacred gift. Intuitive mind is a sacred, एक पवित्र gift है. And our rational mind is a faithful servant. Our rational mind, logical mind is a faithful servant. But we have created a society which honors a servant than the gift. And that is the drawback of our society. And that's why we are struggling. Everybody is struggling. And intuition is given to every animals on the planet of the earth, but हम ही इतने हैं कि उसको इग्नोर करते, रिजेक्ट करते. अदरवाइज ऑल एनिमल फॉलो इंट्यूशंस. दैट व्हाई यू माइट बी सीइंग कि कोई भी एनिमल टेंशन में नहीं दिखेगा, कुछ नहीं दिखेगा. दे आर जस्ट लिविंग देयर लाइफ इजीली एंड एफर्टलेसली. बट वी आर देयर, वी आर टेकिंग सो मच एफर्ट्स इन आवर लाइफ, एंड दैट इज द रोल ऑफ इंट्यूशंस. थैंक यू सर.
Great. Ibrahim, what do you think and do when you face any challenge? जब ऐसे तो होता ही है यार, हर एक को कुछ ना कुछ चैलेंज
Yes.
आता है. How do you face? So what do you do?
Achha, sir, I will take that example in this way. Suppose I'm driving a car or a bike with say 80 or 100 ka speed on the road, and imagine there is I don't know the road, and there is a very bad patch on the road next to that, or there is something that accident might happen in the in ahead. So there is a speed breaker there. So what we do, we just reduce the speed and we just cross the speed breaker very slowly, and then we start again running fast. So the challenges are nothing but a speed breaker in our life. We are running with so much of speed, and if there is no speed breaker, then there is a chances of accident. And this challenges plays the role of a speed breaker in your life. So always thank God when there are challenges in your life. Because ऐसा होता ना कि मराठी में बोलते कि टाक्याचे घाव सोसल्याशिवाय दगडाला देव पण येत नाही. जब तक वो पत्थर पे उस पे हाथोड़ा नहीं बैठता, छिन्नी हाथोड़ा नहीं बैठता, तब तक उसमें से भगवान बाहर नहीं आता. एंड इन सेम वे गॉड इज गिविंग यू अ लॉट ऑफ चैलेंजेस टू मेक यू स्ट्रांग. एंड नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू, इफ यू जस्ट सी बैक इन योर लाइफ एंड कनेक्ट द डॉट्स, जो जो बुरा हुआ था वो नहीं होता तो आप आज जो हो वो नहीं बनते. Because the challenges plays that role and that make you very strong. I read one sentence somewhere. Success is how high you bounce back when you hit the bottom. Success is how high you bounce back when you hit the bottom, and that decides your success. And that is what. So what I feel when the challenges are coming, this was the philosophy, not practical point. So what happens when the challenges come? See, we are having a two choice. एक तो उसको accept करो, पॉजिटिवली लो, या उसको पकड़ के रोते बैठो. वी आर हैविंग टू ऑप्शन, नथिंग मोर देन दैट. जैसे लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, टू ऑप्शंस. एक्सेप्ट करो, इसको एंजॉय करो, या फिर रोते बैठो. अरे यार लॉकडाउन लगा, इनकम बंद है, ऑफिस बंद है, बाहर नहीं जा सकता, ये नहीं फलाना नहीं धमाका नहीं. सो टू ऑप्शंस. फर्स्ट अगर ऑप्शन चूज करते हो एक्सेप्टली हैप्पीली, यू कैन स्टार्ट डूइंग न्यू थिंग्स. बट अगर आप सेकंड ऑप्शन चूज करते हो जहाँ पे आप क्रिटिसाइज करते बैठते हो, यू विल स्टार्ट इंक्रीजिंग योर ब्लड प्रेशर, नथिंग मोर. सो ऑप्शंस नहीं है. And if you see, there are lot of things and lot of companies, they took the challenges in a positive tone and they bounced back. For example, Paytm is the example at the time of demonetization. If you see the lockdown, the Zoom is coming, and Zoom has become a multi-millionaire company at the time of this lockdown. So if you're having a right attitude, you can convert that into your success. And I would like to give my definition of attitude here. What is attitude? That attitude is the ability to convert and unfavorable thing in your favor. This is called attitude. अगर मेरे साथ कुछ बुरा हो रहा है, उसको मैं मेरे पॉजिटिविटी में, मेरे फायदे में कैसे कन्वर्ट करके ले सकता हूँ, that is called attitude. And that is the right thing, no? अगर मैं फेल था फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में, मैं फेल हुआ सीए फाइनल में, दो ऑप्शन थे अगेन, रोते बैठो या फिर से बाउंस बैक होकर पढ़ाई चालू करो. बट 2-3 महीने जब हुए, मतलब मेरे एग्जाम 1 महीने पे थी, तब माय मॉम सेड कि तुझे पता है जब तू फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट फाइनल फेल हुआ ना, तेरे डैड रोए थे, he was crying, and that was the pinch to me कि मेरे फेलियर की वजह से अगर वो रो रहे तो I have to bounce back and I have to come again. So that was my attitude I kept, and I started studying again and again. And that is the role of attitude. If you are able to convert the bad thing in your favor, then that is called attitude. You can convert it. So remember, my friends, the challenges are nothing but a speed breaker in your life. Sometimes speed breaker बड़ा होता है, sometimes speed breaker छोटा होता है. बड़ा स्पीड ब्रेकर जितना है उतना अच्छा है, आपको फिर से गाड़ी पे स्टेबल होने के लिए चांस मिलता है, and you can again start running your vehicle with a high speed. And that is what I see challenges as in my life.
Great, really very good. Acha Ibrahim, I have heard that you speak about entrepreneurship also. And
Okay.
यार थोड़ा उसके बारे में बता, how do you connect your CA practice and entrepreneurship, and how do you guide to entrepreneurs? Yeah, just
Okay.
tell us something about that.
Yeah. So there was a point, I used to read a lot of books. Again, now also I read a lot of books. So what happened? When I was in the IPCC, जितना स्टडी का टाइम मिलता है उसमें आधा घंटा I used to read other reading then study. So that made me think of entrepreneurship. I read a book of Robert Kiyosaki, Cash Flow Quadrant. In the Cash Flow Quadrant, he was given 4 quadrant, and he was talking there about the entrepreneurship. So without much going into the detail, I will just talk about the entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is what everybody thinks that we should become a next level practitioner and all. So what I did in my practice, I started a practice in Sangli. I did practice over there for 6 years, and after 6 years, technically 3 years from full-time practice, and I decided that I should shift to Pune. And one of my friend was there. I just approached him, and now he's managing my office, and I'm visiting the office depending upon the work and requirement. So what happened? That I created one entity which is giving me the constant flow of income. So when I'm there or I'm not there, my money coming in my account. So I came to Pune. I started doing practice over here. Again, I will do here one office. I will set up. I will hand over this to some other person. I will start again. I required a CS for that. So there will be a partner. There will be the partner. But whenever there is a 4 or 5 offices, I will keep getting money continuously. So term plan से भी अच्छा ये होता है. In that case, you will keep getting money. If you are not there, they will survive your family. They will take care of your family. So this is nothing but entrepreneurship. There are a lot of people, they are having a shop or something. They stand there for 12 or 14 hours a day, and they call I'm a businessman. They're not a businessman. They are a self-employed. Entrepreneur is that person who's 2 to 3 hours in a day, and his work is getting managed. So this is called entrepreneurship. And in the office for 1 week, and still the office is running very smoothly and steadily. And for that, I'm taking some things to the new startups and new CAs that how they can make their office automated, so that with their presence and with their absence, the office is running very smoothly. This is a definition of entrepreneurship for me.
Very, very
Yes,
true.
sir.
Okay.
जैसे हम सीए बनते हैं, we
हाँ.
think about two roads, about job and practice. लेकिन there is also third way, that is entrepreneurship, जिसके बारे में आपने थोड़ा सा बताया, but that is covered under practice. But is there any scope to chartered accountants to enter in the entrepreneurship? जैसे बिजनेस खड़ा कर दिया है, फैक्ट्री डाला है, कोई और सेक्टर में जाए, तो will you please throw light on any such activities? Over to you,
So
sir.
nobody stopping you to go into the business. I can tell you with a name few of the CAs in a Sangli. In fact, Bablu Sulan sir is one of the best example. Apart from practice, he's having a different 2-3 types of businesses, and he's running it all without his interference, without his presence. His business are running very smoothly. So मैं बता रहा हूँ ना कि आपके इसमें दम चाहिए, एक ना रिस्क लेने की कैपेसिटी चाहिए कि मुझे करना है या नहीं करना है. Because when I took the decision to shift to Pune, that was a mad decision, because my practice was at a very handsome level. I was earning a very handsome amount of income from my practice. And when the offer which I gave to my friend, he was at shock कि बाबा इब्राहिम तो लॉस में धंधा नहीं कर सकता, but लॉस क्यों कर रहा है अभी फिलहाल? Because I was having that ability to take the risk. If you want to come into the entrepreneurship, yes, you have to take the risk. थोड़ा लेना पड़ेगा. But I will suggest you, CA practice छोड़ के कुछ भी मत करो, because our practice is that kind of diamond which is in your hand. देखो, एक लैपटॉप और एक प्रिंटर से मेरा ऑफिस चालू होता है, मतलब 20-25 हजार में मेरा ऑफिस स्टार्ट है. बट यू टेक एनी बिजनेस जहाँ पे 1 लाख के नीचे कोई बिजनेस स्टार्ट नहीं होता. बट दैट इज व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग. सीए प्रैक्टिस कीप इन योर हैंड, लेट इट ग्रो एट अ स्टेबल इनकम एट वन लेवल, एंड देन डिसाइड एंड थिंक फॉर द अनदर थिंग. क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, बहुत सारे क्लाइंट का ऑडिट करके लगता है अरे यार इतना टर्नओवर होगा, इतना मार्जिन मिल रहा है, चलो हम ये भी करते हैं, चलो हम ये भी करते हैं. बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. यू हैव टू गिव द टाइम टू दैट.
But last advice to the students, Ibrahim.
Yeah. So, as you're asking last advice, I would like to talk on two things. At initially of this session, somebody said, "Lucky guy with the lucky something he write," and I would definitely say I'm a lucky guy. And my success formula I wrote like this: for to become a successful, you need to give some efforts, you need to have smart work, and you need to have luck. That is what the formula I derived. How much smart work and how much efforts and how much luck? 50% स्मार्ट वर्क करो, जैसे मैं नोट्स बना रहा हूँ. Remember my friends, if you want to pass CA exam very quickly, you should make some notes in a such a way that आपका एग्जाम के एक दिन पहले पूरा सिलेबस रिवाइज होना चाहिए, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द लोगों का नहीं होता. अकाउंट में टॉपिक ज्यादा है, इनकम टैक्स बड़ा है, आईडीटी बड़ा है, एसएफएम बड़ा है, तो होता नहीं बहुत सारे लोगों का. मेक अ नोट इन सच अ वे दैट विदिन वन डे यू शुड एबल टू कवर. दैट इज कॉल्ड स्मार्ट वर्क. एफर्ट्स है, रोज के 10 12 14 15 घंटे आपको बैठना है. एंड लक, दैट इज व्हाट आई बिलीव, दैट 1% luck, 50% smart work, and 49% your efforts. Why that 1% luck? How I used to achieve that luck? I used to pray. I used to, when used to go to office exams, बड़े लोगों को नमस्कार करके मैं निकलता था. And I categorize luck in a three categories. One is a constitutional luck, other is a circumstantial luck, and third is, I would say, dumb luck or invited luck. So constitutional luck is like, it is depend on the which area you are staying, which you are at right place and right time. That is a constitutional luck. For example, your running age is now 18 or 19, and you are in IPCC or final. You are just clear the IPCC and final. So it is the right chance for you to become CA at the age of 21. This is the constitutional luck, because you are lucky that at this age you are here. There are some people who start CA at the age of 30. So that is one constitutional luck. Second is a circumstantial luck. Circumstantial luck is according to what place you are there. For example, I'm in Delhi, so parliament najiga, to parliament ke sabse I can do some work. Say I'm staying in Bombay, so again according to that. So that is called circumstantial luck. And third luck, it is called dumb luck or invited luck. Dumb luck is why I'm saying dumb luck, because in that dumb word itself says it is a dumb. Dumb means what? यहाँ पे आपको पता नहीं चलता कि what is the cause and effect of something. Or I call it the invited luck, because I just give you the example. I give order to my subconscious mind and I started getting those things. This is called invited luck. I invite the things in my life. And that happened 20 days back. I would like to take this example. My focus was only on enjoying. I was studying, I was reading, I was doing some YouTube videos. But 20 days back, I told my wife that my focus was different. Now I will start focus on my earning. So ये 10 दिन में आपने को 20,000 रुपए मिलेगा. I started thinking on it. मैंने order दिया, and you will not believe my friends, in 1 week, 8th day में मुझे 45,000 का income हुआ था. So this is what I call as an invited luck. I just invited the thing in my life. And next example I would like to give, this is from the philosophical background. We everybody know, and mythologically, Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh, they have created the world. Brahma is for the creation, Vishnu is for the maintenance and running the world, and Mahesh is for the destruction, for recreation. But if you see the minutely, if you want to create something, you must have a knowledge. That's why the Saraswati is a wife of a Brahma. You must have knowledge. And if you want to get a knowledge, you must have consistency. And that is, I was telling, in practice, show the consistency. In job, show the consistency. In study, show the consistency. You will achieve Brahma, you will achieve Narayan. If you want to maintain something, you need money. That's why Vishnu ki wife is Lakshmi. And if you want to destruct something, you need power. That's why Parvati is a wife of Shiva or Mahesh. And why I'm using that? You want to create your life, you should have a knowledge. You want to become a CA, you should have a study. You want to maintain this, you should have at least some money. Library join करना है, course join करना है, exam form भरना है. And if you want to destruct, अभी तक का मेरे family life जो गरीबी में चल रहा था या कुछ अलग इसमें चल रहा था, उसको डिस्ट्रक्ट करके मुझे नया क्रिएट करना है. यू मस्ट हैव पावर, एंड दैट पावर इज नथिंग बट यूजिंग ऑफ योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड पावर. विद दिस आई वुड लाइक टू कंक्लूड माय सेशन ओवर हियर. आई एम वेरी मच हैप्पी टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. Over to you, sir.
Lot of questions are coming. Students want a larger session. Actually, I think Ibrahim will have to take a live session after this COVID thing, because इतने से पेट नहीं भरा है यार, टाइम खत्म हो गया है. जैसे अभी प्रफुल्ल is asking regarding what time should I study, at night or in morning. I think both the times it is as per your convenient, whenever your focus is good. Ibrahim, आपको क्या लगता है, what should we tell him?
सर देखो, हर एक का बॉडी क्लॉक सेट होता है. In my case, I used to sleep at 11 o'clock and wake up at 6 o'clock. तो 7 घंटे का रात में नींद और दिन भर पढ़ाई करो. I have seen my roommates, they used to study till 4 o'clock in the morning and then they used to sleep and 10-12 बजे उठ जाओ. So depending upon your body clock, which is comfortable for you, you do study. I am not here to tell you morning or night time, but आपको जो comfortable है, आपका body clock जैसे set हो, accordingly you can do the study. That is what my experience है.
Yeah, then Mr. More was asking regarding some tips of his mind gets diverted during studies. So what can you tell him? But during studies, उसका mind यहाँ वहाँ जाता है. So practice ही वही concentration and practice. What would you like to advise him?
Sir, when somebody asked me, no, कि मतलब how can you manage to become CA फटाफट? देखो एक चीज तो if you are not able to concentrate, you are not able to study. But मेरे लिए see, you find that motivation why you want to become a CA. And if you got that motivation, no, nobody will able to distract you. You must concentrate अगर आपको मिलता है. In my case, my motivation was my mom dad. उनका एक सपना था कि हमको एक अच्छी लाइफ जीना है, हमको एक अच्छे लेवल पे पहुंचना है. And that was the realization for me. And in fact, in CA final, my mom tell when I failed in the first attempt, my mom tell, देख अभी जो तेरा नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट है ना, तब तक तुझे हम संभालेंगे, तेरा खर्चा देखेंगे, उसके बाद तुझे तेरा खर्चा देखना है. एंड माइंड यू माय फ्रेंड्स, आफ्टर फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट आई स्टार्टेड क्लासेस इन द सांगली बिकॉज मुझे पैसा कमाना था, क्योंकि पीछे का मेरा आधार निकल गया था. माय मॉम डैड यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज से कि हमारा बचपन इतना स्ट्रगल में था, उनका स्ट्रगल, मम्मी का स्ट्रगल, पापा का स्ट्रगल, तो मुझे ये था कि इनको इसमें से उठाना है, और अगर ये उठाना है और जब तक ये जिंदा है तब तक उठाना है, तो आई हैव टू बिकम सीए एट एनी कॉस्ट फटाफट. And that was the motivation for me. Then किसी ने भी मुझे distract नहीं किया. I was not having a girlfriend, not a single girl able to influence me, और मैं किसी लड़की के पीछे नहीं पड़ा. टीवी, मोबाइल मुझे distract नहीं कर पाया, क्योंकि only study was focusing. Friends जाते थे ट्रेकिंग के लिए, nobody was able to distract because I wanted. वो तक दिखता ना, वो आंख दिखती थी ना, जैसे वो तीर मारने के पहले, same way में मुझे मेरे माँ बाप सामने दिखते थे. So you find the reason why you want to become a CA. किसी के दम नहीं है कि आपको distract करे. That is my experience.
Great. We have one question that he was asking regarding, can we pass the CA exams without joining some classes?
क्योंकि ना आज मैं देखता हूँ ना पुणे में, the classes are fashion right now. मतलब क्लास को जा रहे हैं, मतलब it's like some prestige and privilege thing. But I would suggest you, I can give n number of people name who are CA today without classes. एक benefit classes का ये होता है कि you can get, जैसे होता है ना, अगर मैं एक आधी concept पढ़ रहा हूँ ना, तो I will read it twice, thrice, 5 times, then I will understand. मैं क्लास में जा रहा हूँ तो मुझे पहले समझा है, next time सिर्फ मुझे 2 बार पढ़ना है, तो your efforts are less. If you want to become a CA without classes, then you have to give more time for the study. That is my advice. But yes, definitely without classes you can become CA. It's not like that you should join classes.
One of my student, he's my article, is asking that how can I manage my articleship and my exam during exam period. So can throw some light how you were doing?
देखो फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट के लिए तो you got 3 month का टाइम, that 180 I think 3 months leave we get for the first attempt. For the second attempt if you are taking, then थोड़ा बॉस को तो बटरिंग करना पड़ेगा, 1 महीना एटलीस्ट छुट्टी देने के लिए. Now that is the case, and somebody was asking about the study during the articleship time. Then you have to manage. देखो one of my teacher told me, imagine ये 3 साल तुम्हारे लाइफ में नहीं है, अगर तुम ऐसे जीते हो तो आगे पूरी लाइफ तुम्हारी है. But if you want to go to college, you want to go enjoy the things, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, then study का देखते ना, एग्जाम आने के टाइम पे करते हैं. If you are having with that attitude, no, then you will not become a CA. क्योंकि ये कोर्स ऐसा है ना, ICA is that, I don't know उनको पता कैसे चलता है, जो टॉपिक मैंने स्किप किया था वही टॉपिक का क्वेश्चन आता है. So don't use any trick with ICA. वो लोग बाप बैठे अपने, उनको पता है स्टूडेंट की मेंटालिटी.
Again I would like to add the focus. The focus is important. If your focus is CA, then you can find some solutions. But if your focus is wandering here and there and with the smartphones, and then definitely you won't find out the way. So you have to clarify your focus. That's what I would like to add.
And yes, be away from the smartphones because you are in a study. जितना यूज करना है उतना ही करो, क्योंकि क्या होता है आर्टिकलशिप में तुमको 3 घंटा रोज का मिलता है, कहीं पे नहीं जाता 3 घंटा. If you manage your day in a such a way, so that 3 hours you can study like anything. रोज का क्लास का होमवर्क है, क्लास का कर दो, नहीं है तो अदर स्टडी करो, जो हुआ है वो पढ़ाई करो, बट स्टडी डेली। और एग्जाम की छुट्टी जब मिलती है, फर्स्ट 1 वीक एक स्पीड पकड़ने में टाइम लगता है, बट आफ्टर 1 वीक आपका स्टडी 10-12 घंटे तो आराम से हो जाता है। इसको पकड़ो, आप आलस मत करो, ऑटोमेटिकली चीजें हो जाएंगी। इमेजिन, एक ही चीज याद रखना, 3 साल आपकी लाइफ में नहीं है, उसके बाद
नहीं है।
की पूरी लाइफ आपकी है। दैट इज माई
Yes.
एक्सपीरियंस।
I think now, Rishikesh, it is a time. I think we should close our session, and Ibrahim sir ko we will call him to Sangli next time, and actually Satara Sangli jointly a live session workshop. Ibrahim, plan for some workshop for students, concentration, some meditation thing of like thing. I would request you to take some meditation thing also, so that students will get benefited from that thing. After this
Yeah.
COVID situation improves, we will plan for something like that.
Yes, yes,
I
definitely.
think Vikasa, chairman from Goa, is with us. I think we should now give some time to him also.
Now I request CA Gaurav Kenkre sir. He is the Vikasa chairman of Goa branch. Now I request him to please give some concluding remarks over this session, sir.
Yes, thank you, CA Rishikesh, and thank you, CA Guyan sir, for introducing me. I think I had listened to the entire session, and it is one of the most inspiring sessions which I have attended. Uh, right from his 10 by 10 square foot house to talking about creator Brahma and sustainer Vishnu and destroyer Shiva, we have reached the heights of discussion. So I think really hats off to say Ibrahim for living
Thank you.
a wonderful journey of life, which is still going to continue quite a bit. I think we will be seeing much more newer heights of CA Ibrahim, and maybe after 10 years we can call him for a national conference
Thank you.
where he can speak how he reached at a national level from a 10 by 10 square feet house. I think in today's very depressing time of Corona, I think such inspiring stories are really important for us to keep our morale boosted, to keep us inspired that, in spite of all the odds being against us, we can still survive, we can still succeed. So, a very inspiring session. Of course, the session would not have been as inspiring, or the answers would not have been as pinpoint if the questions were not as appropriate. So I think I thank CA Guyan also for asking the right question at the right time, triggering of the right answers from CA Ibrahim, and of course CA Rishikesh for handling the entire show. He's been the one-man army of WIC. I think he has brought in almost 20 branches on one platform to have so many different initiatives for CA students. So hats off to him, and of course to all the participants, big thank you for a patient listening to CA Ibrahim. With that, I would like to close my concluding remarks.
I would like to give a closing thing from my side. I would
Yes.
like to thank you, Satara Vikasa Sangli branch once again, and thank you, sir, for coming here for the closing remark. Definitely, Goa is my dream destination to visit, and whenever I'll be there, I will give you a call without fail. And thank you all students for your love. I'm just reading the comments, and it's like goosebumps are coming on the body, and my eyes are filling with emotions. The way of your loving the session I took. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you, universe, for giving me chance and making me so blessed soul. Thank you.